Hello everyone. I attended an interview at a company called Central Electricity Authority of India (CEA), and the company location is New Delhi, and the interview date was the November 11, 2025. So the first question they asked me, hooks in CodeIgniter. So in CodeIgniter 4, hooks are replaced by events. Events in CodeIgniter 4 are triggered actions that execute custom code at specific point in application lifecycle, like before or after controller runs. They help in logging, authentication, and performance monitoring without modifying core files. So events in CodeIgniter 4 are like triggers that let you run a specific code at precise moment. Example, before a page loads, after a user logged in without changing the original code. Think of them as alarm you set to perform tasks automatically when something happens. So the simple analogy, imagine your app is a pizza delivery. An event is like saying when the oven time rings, that is event, automatically send a text to the customer, your custom code. So example to remember scenario, show a under maintenance page before any page loads. So define the events. So trigger before any controller runs. Events on pre-controller function. If config app maintenance mode, redirect to maintenance. How it works, when someone tries to visit your site, CodeIgniter checks the event before loading any page. So if maintenance mode is true, it redirects to the maintenance page. Key trigger points easy to recall. Pre-system, before the app starts. Pre-controller, before a page controller loads. Post-controller, after a page finishes loading. So remember, events do this when that happens. So no hooks in CodeIgniter 4. For example, inside htdocs. So localhost event underscore demo auth register. Another is localhost / event underscore demo auth login. So then check in, register a user, localhost : 8080 auth register. Login, localhost : 8080 auth login. Check logs, database tables, login logs, and log file writable logs. So 8080 when using PHP Sparks serve. So otherwise localhost / event demo / auth / register, and http localhost / event underscore demo underscore auth and login. So the conclusion, added authentication, register, login. Used hooks events to log logins attempts. Store login attempts in the database. Question number 2, 50 rows in product name and we have to add same suffix in all the rows. So the answers, my SQL query add ESH suffix. So you have to write the update query. So update product, set product name equal to concat product underscore name, comma, and then in single inverted comma ES. So important to avoid the double ES. If there is a chance some records already end with ES, use this safer version. So update product, set product name equal to concat product name ES, where product name not like %ES. Question number 3, 13345. Add this with the use of function. So you have the dollar number equal to 13345, then dollar split equal to str split dollar number, and then print underscore r dollar split, and then dollar sum equal to array underscore sum, and then dollar split, then echo dollar sum. So it will give the output and will add the numbers. Fourth question, they ask me trait in PHP. So PHP does not support multiple inheritance directly because a class in PHP can inherit from only one parent class. This restriction avoids the complexities and ambiguities of the diamond problem, which can occur in the multiple inheritance scenario. So trait logger, public function log $message, echo log $message. Trait notifier, public function notify $message, echo notification $message. class user use logger notifier. Public function create user dollar name echo user dollar name created. This log created user dollar name and this notify user dollar name has been added. So dollar user equal to new user, dollar user create user Alice. So user Alice created, log created user Alice and notification user Alice has been added. Question number 5. Abstraction refers to provide the essential feature without including background details or explanation. So simple PHP explanation, abstract class showing only essential method. So abstract class vehicle, abstract public function start engine only show what to do. The child class provides the hidden implementation. Class car extends vehicles. Public function start engine, echo engine start with key. Dollar my car equal to new car and dollar my car start engine. So the output engine start with the key. So the summary, abstraction hides logic and you can't see how it works, but you can use it. Okay, so this was the interview in the company called Central Electricity Authority of India, CEA, and the company location was New Delhi and the interview date was the November 11, 2025. So I will share more interview question with you. Till then, bye.